Take a ride in the 2017 Fiesta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, beverage holders. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.